Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Hub channel. In this video, we will discuss some interview tips. So if you are going for the interview, what you have to take care about of that, right? So we should not give any reason for your rejection in our side. Got it right? So first of all, you have to take care about of your profile, means your resume or your CV when you are going to prepare, right? So first of all, whatever you have written in your profile, right? So same thing they will ask you to the interviewer. If you are going for the any interview, first question is, can you give me your profile, or your profile is always there, right? So all the question they will ask you from your profile, so that is very important. So if you don't know or if you are not confident, please remove whatever you have written if you don't know, right? So before going for the interview tonight, you can check your profile, how you are confident what you have written. So this is the first tips. Second tips is your technical round. So technical round is very important. 80% stuff is depend upon your technical round, right? So technical round, if you are sound in the technical round, then definitely we having the more chance to select in your interview. So please take care about your technical round. So I will give you some tips about of the technical round in the coming session, coming video. Okay, so what we can I'll tell you some tips also. So in technical round, we having the two step. One is your technical communication skill and one is your programming skill. If you are attending any interview, right, your programming skill is very important and your technical communication skill. So what is your technical communication skill, right? Like someone will ask you how you are good in the core Java. I am good in the core Java, right? So they will ask you some question, what is the up concept? So you have a point to point answer, okay, because the interviewer doesn't have a much time, right? They having the less time, and they will in less time how to present yourself better than others, because others is also waiting for the interview, right? So you have to make yourself unique. So this is very important. Please try to make your technical 100%. Okay, and another round is your managerial round. So that is also very important. So whatever the round you have attended, so all the company having the different process for hiring. Some of them having the 4 to 5 year experience, 4 to 5 round over there, or some of having the 3 round, like it depend upon the company. But if you will clear first round, you will get definitely confident. Second round, mostly question is repeated, might be some of the question is new for you, and third round also repeated on mostly question, and might be some questions are new. So everything depend upon your first round. So first impression is your last impression. And managerial round, how you are good in the technical, all the things they having already, right? So they will check you how good in your technical, how is your behavior, and they will ask you many questions from your project, right? So whatever the project you have mentioned over there, you having the proper knowledge. They will check you. Sometimes they will give you the tricky question, and they will also check you what is your expression, right? If you are not confident over there, or you are simply leaving that question, means you are not going to effort over there, right? So manager is very smart, because he is having more than 20 or 15 year experience. So you have to, what you have to do, and what is the tips for the managerial round. First is very you should have a very confident over there. Whatever the question they will ask you to, very confident, you have to give the answer. You have to present yourself a smart way. Okay, so that is the another tips for your managerial round. Again, 5% is your luck, so we cannot do for 5%. You will work with 95%, definitely you are able to crack the interview. So don't worry about that. So another round is your HR round. Got it right? So HR round having some salary discussion and all, so that is not a big deal. So they having the requirement. If you will clear managerial round, definitely HR will call to you, so don't worry about of that. Okay, so how to tackle this salary stuff and how to tackle with your notice period, this all the things I will make you the separate video, because in this video I do not want to mix everything, right? So this all the tips you have to take care about of that before going for the interview. And also I will make the video on that, how to improve your presentation skill. Okay, this all the things I having plan to make this video on this topic, but Okay, so I will make on that separately, so that is good for you also, because it will be a mix everything in one video. Hope you like this all the tips, or if you having the any more suggestion, how to make our interview success, please comment below. Or if you are facing any problem, you are not able to crack the interview, see why we are not able to crack the interview, we have to think, right? So sometime what will happen, some mistake happen in our side. Please write down on your notebook whatever the mistake you have done. Might be I'm not able to write the code. You have to work on your programming skill, right, before going for the another interview. But sometime what will happen, everything is your fine, you are good in the technical, and your managerial round is also good, all round is good, but you are not able to get offer letter. So don't worry about that. Might be that project is whatever the project is coming, that project is on hold, so sometime this will happen. So don't worry about that. If your luck is there 5%, definitely you are able to get the job or get the offer letter. So work on 95%. Okay, 5% definitely will come to you. Please work on your 95%. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please share and subscribe and press bell icon for your new video notification. Thank you.